Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss on the classification of psychological tests. Psychological tests are essential tools in assessing various mental functions and behaviors. They come in different forms, each serving unique purposes and suited to different contexts. Understanding their classifications helps in choosing the right test for specific needs and ensures accurate and reliable results. 1. Classification according to mode of administration. A. Speed test measures how quickly a person can complete a set of tasks within a given time limit. Example: a typing speed test, where the individual has to type as many words as possible within a minute. B. Power test assesses the level of difficulty of problems that a person can solve, regardless of time. Example: advanced mathematics tests, where the focus is on problem solving abilities rather than speed. C. Individual test, administered to one person at a time, allowing for detailed observation and interaction. Example: clinical interviews or IQ tests like the Wetzler Adult Intelligence Scale, WISE. D. Group test, administered to multiple people simultaneously, making it efficient for large-scale testing. Example: standardized tests like the SAT or GRE. 2. Classification according to the contents of the items used. A. Verbal test uses language-based questions and requires verbal responses. Example: vocabulary or reading comprehension tests. B. Nonverbal test uses symbols or pictures instead of words to measure cognitive abilities. Example: Raven's progressive matrices, which assess abstract reasoning using patterns. C. Non-language test does not require understanding of any language, making it suitable for individuals with language barriers. Example: performance tasks involving sorting or matching objects. D. Performance test requires physical or motor activity responses. Example: tasks involving manual dexterity or coordination, such as assembling objects. 3. Classification on the basis of type of items used. A. Essay test requires written responses in essay format, allowing for expression of complex ideas. Example: essay questions in exams that assess analytical and critical thinking skills. B. Objective test consists of questions with fixed responses, such as multiple choice, true false, or matching. Example: standardized exams with multiple choice questions like the TOEFL. 4. Classification on the basis of principle of construction. A standardized test developed and administered under uniform procedures and scored consistently. Example: the Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Inventory, MMPI, which follows strict guidelines for administration and scoring. B. Teacher-made test created by teachers for use in their own classrooms, not standardized but tailored to specific instructional goals. Example: weekly quizzes or end-of-unit tests designed by educators. 5. Classification on the basis of the attribute measured. A. Aptitude test assesses potential to learn or perform in certain areas. Example: the Differential Aptitude Test, DAT, which measures abilities in areas like mechanical reasoning and spatial relations. B. Achievement test measures knowledge or skills in a specific area. Example: standardized achievement tests like the Stanford Achievement Test. C. Interest test assesses personal interests and preferences. Example: the Strong Interest Inventory, which helps individuals identify career interests. D. Value test evaluates an individual's values and beliefs. Example: the Rokich Value Survey, which measures the importance of various values to an individual. E. Attitude test measures feelings and predispositions towards certain subjects. Example: the Likert scale, used to assess attitudes towards various issues. 6. Classification according to the medium used. A. Paper and pencil test, traditional test format using printed questions and written responses. Example, traditional exams in schools and colleges. B. Performance test, requires actual performance of tasks or activities. Example, practical exams in subjects like chemistry or physics where students perform experiments. 7. Classification according to the method of scoring used. A. Machine scored, test responses are scored by machines. Example, multiple choice answer sheets that are scanned and scored by optical mark readers. B. Hand scored, responses are manually scored by an examiner. Example, essay tests graded by teachers. C. Scoring done by subject experts. Experts in the field evaluate and score the responses. Example, art or music performance evaluations done by professional artists or musicians. Conclusion: understanding the various classifications of psychological tests is essential for selecting the appropriate test for specific purposes. Each classification method has its strengths and applications, helping psychologists, educators, and researchers gather accurate and meaningful data about individuals' abilities, preferences, and behaviors. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/iscompanion.